So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I made $2,000 with Google Ads. And again, you can copy the exact strategy with other products and start making money right now. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online. Simple, straightforward, no bullshit, and everything is in front of you. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, first thing is first go on your Clickbank or any other affiliate marketplace. So there are a lot. You don't have to be on Clickbank, it can be any other thing as well. So again, you need to find an offer. So this time we are promoting Sonovive. Again, it's a hearing loss product. It helps you hear. So again, it cures your tinnitus. So again, this is the product right now, guys. Sonovive. Again, this is the landing page, but again, we'll create our own landing page because in this video we're going to talk about generic ads, which makes the most money, but a little testing is required. But no worries, I've got you. So now first things first, again, you can just go on your Google Ads. Okay. Just first thing is first create a campaign. But anyways, before we create a campaign, guys, I would show you my landing page. I always try to test, okay, which landing page is much better. The first landing page is something like this, which is much more of a clickbait, where you just say do this to relieve tinnitus and fight ringing ears, watch video. This is one kind of a landing page. Another kind of a landing page is like this, okay, where you just say the best cure for tinnitus and stop ringing in ears now. Sonovive for tinnitus. Again, this is the landing page right now. You talk about the benefits, the products, and then again, I just copy pasted this thing. Again, a testing is required, but these are the two kinds of pages which you require. One is something like this, and the other one is much more of a clickbait, where it makes you curious, like what's happening. Okay, now these are my landing page. Again, just go over here. Again, you can just copy this promote, and then you can just copy over here whatever text sales letter, just preview which ones is much better. Okay, go back. Okay, let me go back. So yeah, now again, that's done. Now all you have to do is just go on, let me just do it again. Just go on campaigns, new campaigns. Again, I would say website traffic. Okay, now I wouldn't track conversions right now. I'll just do continue right now. I would always go on search. Once search, I will keep it as a test campaign for now. Click over here. Now after this, it comes over here. I wouldn't say conversion right now, I would say clicks. Okay, and set a maximum cost per click, which means it shouldn't go above this click. So in the beginning, I always keep $1. Then again, depending upon your keywords, you can just decrease or increase it, but for now it's just $1. I would not select display. Again, over here on countries, enter another location. I would select all the tier 1 countries, which is USA, okay, Canada, okay, and then what else? It's Australia. Again, just tier 1 countries, New Zealand, Ireland. But yeah, okay, so I'll just save it. Now again, just go on English. Again, that's it. Leave this blank. More setting. Again, I would leave this blank as well. It's fine. Just go on next. Again, now keywords. So keywords, again, a lot of people have this question about keywords, where to find the keywords. So the best thing is always ask your affiliate manager, or if you go over here on Sonovive, you can contact the seller. So something, I can give you an example of SteelBite Pro, where they help me with these keywords. Okay, so again, you need these keywords, or the best thing is, again, just do manual spying, which I'm gonna show you right now. So all you have to do is just go on Google and type tinnitus cure. Okay, again, I could see something like this as well. So literally, if I can open it, so see, we found a landing page as well over here. And again, I'm sure he's promoting some product. Let me just click over here. Again, I'm so sorry to click on this product, but again, Quantium Plus, again, this is one of the Clickbank products. If you think I'm lying right now, I can just copy this thing, go on my Clickbank, just search Quantium Plus, white, or must be some, okay. Yeah, so you could see that people are promoting this product as well. So we found something like this, but we found a keyword and it is cure. Just go on search. Okay, enter the product or service to advertise. Okay, or enter URL and scan keyword, and then we can just do this. 1 minute. So yeah, a lot of things have come over here. Make sure it's relevant, and then you can go on keyword match type tool. So I would prefer using phrase match and exact match. I would paste this over here, phrase match or exact match, phrase match and exact match, or in the beginning I would just use phrase match. Once I see that it's converting, it's getting sales, I'm gonna do it exact match, and I can create a separate winning campaign. But for now, phrase match, change to lowercase. Again, and what I would do is open Word. Okay, now why am I opening Word? It's very simple, guys. Just go over here, or I can just do the snipping tool. Okay, I can just copy this thing, paste it over here. The reason for that is, again, I'm creating a swipe file. It's easier for me to create ad copies. And then next I'll go over here, how I cured my tinnitus. There must be some ads as well. So see, this ad is also there. Literally must be promoting some product. No, it's not. But anyways, we can just look where best cure natural remedy for tinnitus. Can tinnitus be cured? Again, we got some ideas as well. So it's the ring relief product. So we know that people are promoting this product, which means they are making money. Again, amazing, and you can get ideas from here as well, right? How, so see, healthy max, how I cure tinnitus. So again, this is much more like an advertorial style where they are no, or a newsletter style where they're explaining about the product, and then I click over here. Let me see which product are they promoting. So try sell and sell. Again, this is one of the products as well, not on Clickbank but on some other affiliate network. So this is something cool as well. We can copy this landing page, make it 10% better. Again, we have the ad copies as well. Now the best thing is, again, once you know, select all, just go on here, delete this thing, just copy from here. I know there are a lot of steps, guys, so you can just pause the videos and do it. In the beginning it's going to look really difficult, but then once you start getting used to it, it's going to be really easy. Because right now I'm going in so many tabs, doing so many steps, so it looks complicated, but it's not. Once you start doing it, it's going to be easy. It's just like driving. Imagine, think about the first time when you were driving. For me it was so difficult, like looking at the mirror, looking at the holding the steering, pressing the brakes, changing the gear. It was so complicated, but then with time everything gets easy. Again, ad copy, I would just copy this URL. Again, for me, I had a URL Sonavel tinnitus online, but it just got expired. But again, you need to link your domain something related to this product. It can be Sonavive tinnitus or tinnitus natural remedy, something around that corner. Or you can create a generic one as well, like the way they did, health and well, or something like healthy max, something generic. But I prefer creating something to the product name, much more better. So yeah, so I'll paste my URL right now. Again, this is my URL, but again, you need to paste by a domain and do it again. Just look at your competition, guys. How I cure tinnitus, or let me go over here. Just check your competition. So I can say TINNI is cure CURE. Again, looks like this. And then for my headlines, again, ear ringing treatment, I can just copy this as well. Best way to cure tinnitus. Again, make sure you just capitalize the first letter. Okay, treatment, because it looks much better. It looks like an ad. Way treatment. Okay, tinnitus 2. Okay, now you can check your competition as well. What causes tinnitus? You can paste here. New tinnitus breakthrough. Paste it over here. Try out dealing with tinnitus. So for now, for my test purpose, I'm just pasting. But guys, you need to think about making it 10% better. Okay, so make it 10% better. Okay, I'm not gonna do it right now. New discovery help you too. Okay, make it 10% better. Again, I'm not gonna show you site links. It's very easy. There's a link down below for the free course. You can go and check it out. On the right hand side, you could see how many clicks you'll get with average CPC. So for us, it was $1, but weekly cost is going to be $4.36. You can adjust. You can do done. Go on next. Again, budget's gonna be this thing. You can set a custom budget of how much you want to spend. And next, you can do a review. Okay, budget value is required. Okay, it's fine. We can set this budget. It's fine. Again, you can just publish the campaign right now and you're good to go, right? So one of the example which I gave you was I was promoting toenail fungus. So again, that was pro dentum. I made good money out of it, around $2,000. And again, you can do it with all the products, right? Literally just check on Clickbank which products you can promote. You can promote this one. You can just message the seller. You can just copy it. So for me, I just did message the seller for this one. He gave me a resource kit. The resource kit has all Google ads. When you click on Google ads, it gives you all the detail, guys. Even keywords, they give me all the keywords as well. So these are the keywords for that product. Okay, and then literally they give you everything about it. So all you have to do is just do some research, manual spying, create the ads on Google and start making money. And guys, it's as simple as it is. Nothing is complicated. And again, a lot of people were asking me, Yavar, why aren't you posting videos regularly? So again, guys, you need to understand I have a family, I have a job, plus again, I do mentorships as well. So again, I'm focusing on much more about people where again, I can give them 100% attention. And again, all you have to do is, guys, just take steps. And guys, if you'll have any questions, just message me on Instagram. Okay, I'm always active over there. I do reply you. And again, I have a free course as well, guys. If you feel all of this is complicated, just check out my free course. The link is down below. It's 100% free, no strings attached. You can check it out. You learn more about affiliate marketing and start making money. That's what I want from you guys. And I think so that's it for today's video, guys. Yavar Khan signing off.